Before we begin, if you are new, please do not forget to click that subscribe button and join my team. Today's look is a fall inspired look with the Morphe 350 Nature Glow palette. We will be starting out with the far right top burnt orange color, covering our lid to start our transition. Next color is the third row down. It's more of a darker burnt orange. We will be blending that into our crease. A little bit lower than your first shade. Just going to blend that out. And we will be taking this brown color and kind of putting it below our crease. That's another shade for when we do our cut crease. I decided to blend this with the color Fi. It's like a dark maroonish color from the Emily Edits The Once palette. So I'm just blending that into my outer V, and I am blending the shades together so that they can look as neat as possible. I'm also adding in a bit of this darker color called Dark and Early to the outer V as well to kind of give it more of a dark pop. Here I'm going in with my Crease camouflage concealer. I am now using this Fi darkish maroon color to blend in with the brown color on my outer V. So in this cut crease, I'm just taking the shades that I used to blend on my eyelid and my cut crease. So I'm just layering them diagonally. Now I'm going into my Beauty Glazed Strelitzia palette in this beautiful color called Pale Gold. It's like a white gold, beautiful yellow shimmery color. At this point, I'm literally just using a brush to blend all three of these colors together into my cut crease so it can give it that beautiful gradient effect. I'm literally just going over and making sure I covered every part with the concealer from my cut crease so it won't be looking too crazy. Again, y'all, I'm still practicing. I'm getting a little better, but practice makes perfect. Okay, y'all, so my daughters are always losing my lashes, so I'm using my Kiss Flirty lashes, and I'm going in with my Essence Metal Chrome highlighter. I wanted a soft and subtle highlight for my cheek. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I could have did my wings so much better, but I lost my contacts, and without them, I'm super blind. Like, I real life struggled to do the end of this look, no joke. Okay, you guys, for the big announcement, drum roll, I am so happy, so thankful. This beautiful company called 1995 Cosmetics by Marlene. I am honored that they chose me to become one of their elites. Not only am I that, they gave me the honor of picking out a beautiful shade from their At Me collection. I chose a soft baby pink matte liquid lip. I named it Exposed. I mean, why not? If you're in the nude, wouldn't you feel exposed? I really love this color, you guys. It pairs perfect with a nude pink gloss, a clear gloss, and some lip liner. This is my staple, you guys. It's so beautiful. I'm so thankful. Thank you so much again for allowing me to work with you guys for this beautiful color. If you guys want to purchase it, the link will of course be down below. And again, thank you so much to my 9-5 team. I love you guys so much. as we come to the end of the video, you guys, I seriously hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you recreated. Do not forget to smash that like button and that subscribe button. Leave me comments, and I will see you on the next one.